Welcome back to my channel and invitation to play. For today's activity, you are going to need a few materials. You will need some letter cards or some post-its and a marker. And you will need the printable that is linked in the description below. And while you're down in that description, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So with the materials needed for today, you are going to need to find the letters that are in your name. So my name is Amber, and I have 5 letters in my name: A, M, B, E, and R. I found those 5 letters in my name, and I wrote them on some Post-its. I want you to do that too. Once you have found the letters in your name or written the letters of your name on a Post-it, you will then need our handout for the day, ABCs Around the House. What I want us to do is find the pictures of the letters that are in your name. So my name starts with the letter A, and when I look there, I see the picture of an apron. I'm going to take the letter A and I'm going to go put this on the apron in my house. It's located in my kitchen. I'm going to go put this A on the apron, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do my next letter, my letter M. I'm going to look at my paper. I'm going to find the letter M and see that there's a picture of a mirror. I'm going to go find a mirror in my house and put this letter M on it. There are some really tricky letters in our alphabet that don't start with many objects in our home, like the letter X. What sound does X make? X. Can you think of anything that has a X sound in it? I thought of a box. So under our letter X, you will find a picture of a box, and it ends in the letter X. The X is not at the beginning, but at the end. Thank you so much for putting letters around your home with me today. Now the next time you're looking out your window or making your bed, I wonder if you'll know what letter those things start with. See you next week.